Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make melting custard half moon cookies. These cookies are so delicious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients to make half moon cookies: you will need 1 cup of butter, which is approximately to 225 grams, 1.5 tablespoon of normal sugar, 1 egg yolk, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or any other flavor that you like. You'll also need icing sugar that you're going to use at the ends. You will need about 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, optional if you don't like nutmeg. You'll also need 1.5 cup of wheat flour, custard powder 1 cup, which is approximately to 150 grams, and lastly you will need baking powder about 1 teaspoon. In a medium large bowl, add 225 grams of butter, followed by 1.5 tablespoon of normal sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or any other flavor that you like. Then take a hand mixer and mix everything well till soft. Mix the batter until pale and soft for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your batter is soft and pale like this, you'll add 1 cup of custard powder and mix everything using a spatula or a wooden spoon till everything is well mixed. Once you're done mixing the custard powder, your batter mixture has to look like this. Then you'll add 1.5 cup of wheat flour plus 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You'll add a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is well combined into a soft dough. Later on, I had to get my hands dirty to mix everything into a soft dough. Make sure the dough is not too soft or too hard, it has to be in between. Finally, I have a dough. As you can see, the dough is not too soft or too hard, so make sure that the texture of the dough has to be like this, and then it's high time to shape our cookies. I divided the dough into 2, then place 1 dough at a time on a clean surface or a board like this. Then sprinkle a bit of wheat flour and roll out into a thin, thick circle. The thickness should not be too thin or else the cookies will fall apart when you're holding them. In shaping the half moon cookies, you will need a glass like this and make small tiny circles all around. And once you're done, take all the remaining leftovers and form them into a dough that you're going to use for the second round to shape your cookies. Using the same glass, cut into 2 as you can see in the video, you'll get 2 shapes of cookies. One is the half crescent moon and the other one looks like a gibbous moon. You'll shape the cookies like this or any other shape that you prefer. And finally, my half moon cookies are ready as you can see in the video. Bake them in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes till well baked. Yes! Finally, my cookies are out of the oven as you can see in the video. Before you dig in, wait till the cookies to cool down so that they can be firm, because you'll notice that the cookies are so soft. Once the half moon cookies have cooled down, add some icing sugar and some nutmeg, optional if you don't like nutmeg. Then mix the two ingredients very well. I'll garnish my half moon cookies in an icing sugar as you can see in the video and serve your half moon cookies on a plate. And my half moon cookies are ready as you can see in the video. I'll cut them into two so you can able to see how they are. You can eat along with a cup of tea, coffee or anything that you like and enjoy your half moon cookies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of cookies, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.